Alright, so next thing we're going to do is go over your cleaning instructions. At the top you'll see it says don't use it for 24 hours. You're going to wait at least a week to clean it. Followed by that are any of these appropriate cleaners. They'll be okay to use. You can also use a soft towel or a sponge. Make sure that you don't use anything with an abrasive on it. So you want to spray down the corner seams. You want to spray down where the shelf meets the wall, as well as where the pan meets the wall all the way around. Also, you want to spray up the side of the door where the tracks meet the wall. And last but not least, you want to spray down the entire shower base that you stand on. So after you rinse the shower off, you can use a squeegee, run the squeegee on the walls, and then you can dry it off. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I have some products that I really like to use. So, clean shower? No? Gotta be salt scrub. Lysol for sure. Drano though.